email marketing on Wamation. Now we have email broadcast, email automation, and reports. So I'll walk you through how to use this. Now, email marketing, when you click broadcast, you will see this page. All right. So let me quickly explain these features. Email from, that is the name of your business. So as you can see, example, Mike Publishers. So you just type the name of your business there, right? So that's the name that the receivers of your email will see the email coming from. And then email subject line of your email, and you can call out the name of your prospect or their email inside the subject. All right. Now the email pre-header is the little text that shows when someone previews your email on his phone or on his laptop, just before the just after the subject line. So when the person previews your email, he sees that pre-header text, right? And then when he opens the email, the pre-header text no longer appears. So the pre-header text is just to show or to let your receivers know the content of what to expect in the body of your email. Okay. Then reply to is the email you want. If they reply to this email you are trying to send to them now, the email you want to use to receive their reply, which is going to be your own email address. Okay. And then this is the body of the email. So and here you can do anything you want to do. You can bolding, right? You can see, you can bolding, you can change fonts, font type, font face, you can align, do everything you want to, you can do. You can insert image, as you can see. Okay, this is insert image. You can insert image, you upload image, do everything you want to do that you normally do with your email autoresponder. And you can also call out the name of your prospect inside the body of your email by just going to shortcode and then you click this, right? So if you click that, it's going to insert. Can you see there? That's inserted the shortcode, so you can add their name or their email to the body of your email, right? And then here on the right hand side where you select list, so the list you want to send out emails to. So for example, this demo, the total number of contacts in this list might be more than two, but you are seeing two here because there are only two contacts that have email addresses in them, right? So Wamation is going to load up those lists and show you the total number of contacts that have email. So any contact that doesn't have an email, you will see zero. As you can see, here is zero contact, for example, meaning there are actually contacts in this list, but none of them has an email address. Okay, so select the list you want to send the email to. Right, once you are done, just click broadcast now. But before you click broadcast now, you can put your own email address here and click send test email. All right, and you would receive the a preview of your email. All right, what you have typed here, you will receive it. So when you are satisfied with how it appears, then you can go ahead, select your list here, and then you broadcast now to your contacts. Now, automation allows you to do just exactly what you have been doing with WhatsApp. Okay, so this time around, you are only now going to preload your existing WhatsApp automations. So imagine you have created your WhatsApp automations in your list. So if this list now, testing list, has 10 automations for WhatsApp, which you already know about it, right? By going to automation for list and you create. Now, we don't want you to go through the stress of having to recreate all those automations one after the other again. You simply use load WhatsApp automations. Okay, so it's going to retrieve those automations you have saved from the WhatsApp automations for that particular list. As you can see here, these are the automations that have been saved for this list. That is the WhatsApp automation. So you are only preloading it so that you can edit them and use them as email automations. So let me look for a list that has lots of automations. Okay, let me just pick let me pick looking for a list, looking for a list, looking for a list. Okay, so let me load this video training one. So if I load this now, you will see what I'm trying to explain to you clearly. So you allow the page load and then you will see the content of your WhatsApp automation. That's the message of your WhatsApp automation. So you see it, it will load up here, and you can you see? So this is the message you have set for WhatsApp automation. So because you are sending email now, you want to edit it, right? Maybe by giving more spaces, something like this, right? So if it's the one that has the hyperlink, you want to come and ensure that the link works, right? Just insert link, okay? Then you put the URL, copy this and paste it here, and you save. Okay, so and you can bold in as you want, you can do everything. So just to ensure that you can now format the body of the email. Can you see this is supposed to be a WhatsApp automation? When it's sending out via WhatsApp, it doesn't send out all clumsy like this. But now you want to use it for email, you need to come back here and put all the right spacing. Okay, very 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 important. So it's going to save you the stress of having to recreate these messages all over again. Just come and load up all the WhatsApp automations, and you see them here, format them as you want. And once you are satisfied, the only things you now need to add here is your business name, that is the email from, like I explained earlier, reply to email. If they reply the email, where do you want to receive the reply? Okay, and then you can set all the normal automations you already know. You're immediately joined, same day joined, um, day one, day two, day three, as you already know on WhatsApp automation. Okay, and then your subject line, you can call out the name of your prospect or their email, your pre-header text, like I explained before, right? And fill out every other things. And when you are done, you scroll to the bottom and you simply save all for email automations. So by the time you save it, okay, you can now come back, and so on that your list now, you can now add more automations by clicking add view email automations. But if when you wanted to create your email automations, you do not have any WhatsApp automations, which means nothing to load. There's no WhatsApp automation to load into the email that you want to use for this list. Okay, you just simply just click add view automation, add view email automation, and then you create the normal automation afresh, just the way you would have created it. Okay, with the normal email line, subject line, reply to email, and every other details that you want to have. Okay, your email from, your business name and everything, like I explained earlier. So and you can just come here, add next message, click add next message to keep adding next message, and when you are done, save all my automations now, or you duplicate into another list. Okay, and then you can now see the report under email report. You will see the summary of the emails you have sent. Okay, like this now was sent to 2 people, 0 open rate. Nobody has opened this email, so you see everything there. So like this one now, 100% open rate. And then we also have the click-through rate. If you have a link inside your email, it will show you the click-through rate of that email you have sent. Okay, and you can click full summary to see the full summary of the email, that's out of the email you sent, to see how many the specific people that clicked the that received your email. All right, so that is that for email marketing and automation on Wamation.